Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your XIAOMI 13. First of all, open your standard application on this phone, Gallery. And now from the all of photos, select something what you wanna hide. For example, I wanna hide these 3 photos and need tap to add album button and choose here private album. And now we got message. To view the items you made private, swipe down in albums. Tap OK. Okay, here we got hint. All private items are synced with cloud. The feature is on. Synced with cloud. Okay, tap OK. Need to enter our privacy password. Like this, for example. Tap next. Not now. Okay, here we got. Now we hide our photos, so go to albums and now swipe down, and here we got message release to open private folder. Now need to enter our privacy protection password. Tap OK, cancel, enter our privacy password, and here we got our hide photos. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.